Welcome C3 family, thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while, but we've had a lot of big things in the works right now, so we're excited to announce some news that things we're going to be releasing soon. So anyway, we got a good video for you today. We're going to be doing a quick market update. We're going to show you some Bitcoin charts. We'll show you MATIC, Polygon charts, maybe what the outlook is for the next day or two, as well as some good news surrounding Bitcoin and the industry itself. So with that being said, let's jump right in, guys. Alright, so let's come over here. I wanted to show you guys our Instagram page. We're trying to build our followers up over here. So we're going to be posting a 30-second clip every single morning about our C3 coin of the day. Something kind of similar to this right here.
To the coin of the day.
So we'll be showing you a coin today. Was VET. It was looking really juicy this morning on the daily chart. So thanks to our Market Cipher, we're able to see what's going to be happening futuristically. So let's jump into Bitcoin. First, I wanted to show you guys this total 2 chart that we posted the other day, and we're right here. We posted it on the 2nd, and it kind of kissed right up against our resistance, and now we kissed up above it, didn't break it, but let's see if we can get a close above it on the next day. So this is really exciting. This could mean altcoins are going to run. People are really excited about certain projects like Polygon, scalable layer 2 solution, as well as things like Helium. So we also are going to have some videos coming out on that as well. We're excited to show you guys what we'll be doing with Helium. So this is the 15-minute chart right here on Bitcoin, and we finally broke out above our resistance, and we broke clean above it, broke up, and then came back down below the 7 EMA, and now we're building support. So this is really bullish. This is the slow trend is the true trend. So right now these boxes that I have highlighted are actually the US session is the session during which the US traditional markets are open. So when we see sort of like an up and a little sideways movement, we're going to see some sort of liquidity building up here in this area, and then this will be our Asian session, which actually happens to be right at UTC close open. So we're watching in between and when Asia opens. So sometimes you can get some good plays in there. So anyway, we'll be putting out a video on some little bit more of not aggressive, but advanced trading if you're into that type of thing. So let's check out Polygon. So an Ethereum DEX aggregator OX launches on Polygon. So this is really exciting. OX will let developers source liquidity from a various of Polygon-based DEXs in one single interface. So that's what an aggregator is. They're able to get you prices all from one platform across many platforms. So same with MetaMask has that feature, as well as 1inch. That's why 1inch was that was the concept it was built around. Anyway, so the major liquidity sources leveraged by the API include QuickSwap, SushiSwap, CommonSwap, Curve, Dodo, MStable, and DFYN. Have not heard of that. So OX joins a growing list of leading DeFi projects that have expanded into Polygon. So that's why you're seeing Polygon just go to the moon lately. We're having a lot of big dogs endorse it. So Norton Security Suite will let users mine Ethereum. This just released today on Crypto Briefing. This is 3 hours old. Right now the time is 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So this is really exciting. This is awesome. Norton will add Ethereum mining tools to Norton 360. It's all-around security suite in the coming weeks. So Norton LifeLock will add a built-in cryptocurrency mining application to its all-around security suite, according to a press release. Mining will be added in the coming weeks. So they're really excited. They keep telling you that on this article, and the app that the Ethereum mining platform will be called Norton Crypto. So I got some better news with Chris over here. So we'll take you over to Chris, and he'll give you some great news on some top dogs that are making huge moves. So let's take it over, Chris.
What's up, C3 fam? Chris here. Today we're going to check out some of the news going on outside the crypto market with the big institution world. So let's just dive right in and see what we got. Okay, as always, you guys remember, none of this is financial advice. We are not financial advisors here. Having said that, let's just get right into this. So this article right here, The Landscape of Institutional Adoption of Cryptocurrency, is a pretty good article. Matthias Rzinski put it out on June 2nd. Let's just kind of scroll down and check it out. So, your intro kind of just breaks down how most people didn't really know about cryptocurrencies for a while, and for the most part, a lot of people still don't. But however, times are changing and quite rapidly. Not only are more and more people learning about crypto, but there's also been a promising institutional adoption as well. So for everyone who doesn't know about that, we're just going to kind of scroll right down in here, and we're just going to start with this part of the article. So it kind of gives us a breakdown talking about Elon Musk. We all know about Elon Musk. He was very bullish on Bitcoin. Then he decided to suspend Bitcoin payments for a Tesla on behalf of EPA standards. Now he's very bullish on Dogecoin. However, the key thing to take from this is the article pretty much reminds you that he didn't sell off any of his Bitcoin after such statements, so he's still holding on to his. Moving on, we're going to talk a little bit about Grayscale Bitcoin Trust, which just in 2020 became an SEC reporting company, and literally by February 2021, they've already surpassed $38 billion and basically what they hold from their clients and just holding in crypto assets. For anyone who doesn't know what Grayscale does, you don't want to do anything, you don't want to hold your assets, but you want to make money on them. You give your money to these guys, they do it for you. They're huge. They're one of the most significant Bitcoin funds that there are. So that's huge. MicroStrategy, another company owned by Michael Saylor, big guy in the financial world as far as being very successful with his company, and they hold over 71,000 Bitcoins, so that's pretty huge. JP Morgan, they are expressively bullish with a long-term confidence and interest in Bitcoin. Their price target is 130,000. So anytime you see things like this, we can pretty much, I guess you can say, assume that these companies are acquiring assets if they're looking at these price points. Those are profit margins for them. BlackRock, arguably the world's largest asset manager. Look at 8.68 trillion. It's also started dealing in cryptos. January 2021, it added Bitcoin futures as an investment vehicle for its strategic income opportunities and global allocation fund. These are not nobodies with little money. These are big institutional companies. Europeans have been adopting it for quite some time now. The more you read into this article, it just really shows you the companies and institutions that, whether you know it or not, are there behind the scenes putting in lots of money and making lots of money in this crypto market. As we scroll down here, we start seeing the platforms, Genesis, Diginex, Galaxy Digital, Chicago Mercantile Exchange. These are huge. None of these are small. They're all heavily invested in crypto. They all have very bullish interest on it. So despite the market going a little bit sideways, we have seen a little bit pump lately. Always do your research, and remember, there's a lot going on out there, and just follow the money trails. The money trails will usually tell you a lot on your own, and if you see a negative kind of remark or just any sort of negativity towards the crypto world from big financial institutions, usually you just take a little bit of a look into it, and they're probably just haven't acquired the amount of assets they want yet to play. Once they do, They usually do a complete 180, and now they're all for it. So everyone out there, just keep in mind, always do your research, and you'll find a lot more than maybe what we're getting thrown at us. Alright, so we're going to go on and pretty much jump out of here. Having gone over that article, I once again suggest you guys take a look at it yourself, amongst tons of other news that it's always out there in the backgrounds. And once again, stay cool, stay calm, stay collective. Much love from the C3 fam. Smash that subscribe and likes if you haven't. Hit the notification bell as well. Be aware we still have our Ledger giveaway going on, as well as our 3-month subscription to our private chat. As soon as we get 250 subscribers, this all happens, and I'm going to be putting out another video on my IOI Trade Race Manager, show you guys some of the updates I've got going on, the progress that I've made. In any case, everybody take care.
Alright, Chris, thanks for all that great info on these top dogs that are just helping us build this market and making it more adoptable. So let's check out the entire cryptocurrency market cap. So of course in this crash we fell out of quite a few support lines, and this was a long drawn support line from all the way back here. I actually use the Ray tool, which is a technique you can use with doing spider lines as well. So that is also something like I said, we'll be showing you how to do in the next few days. So this is very important to watch. This is all the money in crypto right now, and right now we're on the daily time frame. So we only have about an hour and 50 minutes to close, and we're around $1.72 trillion. So the great part is we came right down to this 200 EMA right here, this blue and green, and then we bounced right off, and then we hit resistance. That was our support, and now it went sideways for a few days, and now it looks like we're about to close above, which is right around this 20 EMA as well. So these are really important numbers to watch. You need to be watching this chart. It'll tell you what's going on in the general market with a quick glimpse. So I wanted to show you guys the dollar. It's something we were showing in a few videos ago, and it's actually gaining a little bit of steam for the day, but if you can see how far it's fallen out, it's still way below its 200-day average. So this isn't really that positive for the dollar, but it could also come back around because stock markets aren't looking that strong either. So NASDAQ doesn't look that great. For all of you Reddit traders, AMC looks a little bearish on the daily time frame. I know that it kind of runs on its own thing. So anyway, something to keep in mind. Bitcoin dominance continues to fall though. So with Bitcoin dominance falling, we can see ETH and altcoins start to just come right up and stay up. Like ADA has just been crushing it. So these are some spider lines that I've drawn quite a few days ago, and if you look at them on the smaller time frames, you can see that they hover right around them. So you can use this as a technique to figure out what are your trading zones and ranges. So this is a technique that we always use, and it's been fairly profitable. So I wanted to show you guys our fear and greed index. So today it was about a 24, and just 5 days ago it was a 10. So we're gaining momentum, we're getting adoption, things are looking very strong. So the slow trend is the strong trend. And here we go, here's some MATIC action. So let's zoom right in here on the daily time frame, and we've got some support lines right here. So these are kind of conservative, but we're holding this one right here. We are looking a little bearish on the daily time frame that's about to close. So if you are looking to reaccumulate, this could be the first zone of reaccumulation, is around the $1.60, $1.67 range. Let's just make a little mark right there. So this could be a good zone to come back down for us to possibly reaccumulate. As always, you need to continue to watch the market. Don't jump into anything without serving the entire market. Unless it's something you're willing to hold through a possible bear market, I feel like Polygon is such a strong project. It will hold through the bear market. It will fall, but it will it'll last. It's just like Cardano and Ethereum and Bitcoin. So anyway, guys, this is all I got for you today. We really appreciate you stopping by. If you want to be a part of our giveaway, it's as easy as clicking that notification bell, smashing the like button, comment, and also join our public Telegram group so you will be aware if you've won or not. So that's all we got for you guys. Remember, stay cool, calm, collected. C3 out.